What is going on, guys? Today is April 7th, 2026, and I'm going to be going over the one trade I took. This was on my practice account. I locked in my winning day yesterday on my top step, so I will be getting a payout today. Shout out Ice Model. That's my model I've been trading. It's been going really, really well. But I did forward test this short, and I really wanted to go over it with you guys because it was obviously the move for the day, and I'm sure some of you guys might have caught it, and some of you guys maybe missed it, and you're wondering why. And I'm going to go over it today and why I was feeling convicted of it. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. If you guys were curious about my P&L, it's on my Instagram. I mean, like it's on my Instagram. But yeah, I'm withdrawing today with Top Step. So yeah, really good start to this week. And yeah, the reason why I forward tested my this and I was outdone with my top steps is one because I had that payout locked in and I didn't need it anymore. I'm just gonna take the payout while I can, as well as news. We have a lot of news going on today with the war with Iran and a lot of things dropping today. So just playing it safe today, locked in my winning day and did not want to mess with the markets. But I saw this beautiful short setup and I smacked. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Gonna be a super super good video. Cool. So let's get straight into it. So overall, going into the day, I was bearish. Why was I bearish? So as you guys can see, let's go ahead and replay this. So going into open, I was bearish. Why was I bearish? Because we were disrespecting bullet is pretty much literally as simple as this, right? We created this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, and what we do completely broke all the way through it. So we had this inversion to the downside on the higher time frame, so indicating that our bias could be short, right? And we have pretty clear draws on liquidity down below. So again, that's really was my draw. I was super bearish on the day. All I wanted to see was a retracement off of open, more of a manipulation like higher, and then get that move back down lower, which is exactly what we did. Literally beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and replay this for you guys. And all right, so now that we're back at open, I'm gonna go ahead and talk you guys through my thought process and a little bit of what I was looking for. So first of all, I identified that we had this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap up above. Beautiful. What I wanted to see was price trade into this fair value gap. If we were truly bearish, we were going to fill this 15-minute and then continue back down lower. You go to the 30-minute. We also had this 30-minute that we were sitting inside of, but when we have unfilled gaps up above, I'm really looking for price to move or manipulate into those gaps and then start its trend back down lower if we were truly bearish. So again, what did we end up doing off of open? Literally the holy spike. We just launched straight into this 15-minute. Really, really beautiful. But what we ended up doing is creating this 1 minute. So now I'm really liking this structure because we're finally getting some sort of confirmation that we can actually continue this trend lower. So what did we get? We got a retracement back up higher. Then we get a 1 minute inversion back to the downside. Beautiful. I entered shorts right here. So now that we're in shorts, we pretty much play it out. This was my first TP down here at this low. This is just a really, really good trade, especially on the high time frame for bearish. We get a manipulation leg off of open, fill a 15-minute fair value gap. We get our confirmation back to the downside. Boom, enter shorts. You could have gone break even here, but the reason why I was going break even here is because this was clearly the draw on liquidity at least, right? These are just little 1 minute lows, that you could put your break even at. But again, to play it safe, we could easily retrace off of any of these little internal draws on liquidity right here. So again, they're just 1 minute lows. They're not that important. I wouldn't be too worried about them. So again, let's go ahead and play this out. All right, beautiful. So now at that point, I'm break even. Again, I'm targeting down here. Stops are break even. Boom, boom, boom. And smack. So again, this is more of a, as you guys can see, look what we're doing. So we're just continuing to dump where to this 4 hour low. We quite haven't hit it yet, but this is definitely the draw on liquidity for the day after seeing all this. So yeah, this is what we're going to be pushing towards. And again, you could have targeted this, but this little draw on liquidity on the 1 hour, I really liked it. But now we're finally coming down to this draw. So again, that was a little bit of my trade recap. I wanted to show you guys this because I think today was a really important day. Maybe some people were able to catch their shorts, some people weren't. Some people were curious on why. And again, I'm not giving like full with my model and everything. But this is just a little brief overview, pretty simple stuff. And again, yeah, if you guys want to work one-on-one with me, I'm giving out the option now. 2 more spots left for the month of April. And I'm also hosting another fundamentals class if you guys were wanting to learn trading, up your trading skills, and overall just know the whole basics of what day trading actually is and learn all the fundamentals you need to know in order to day trade and overall over time become a profitable day trader. That's another thing I'm hosting here pretty soon once I get back from Miami. But yeah, payout today. Miami tomorrow, really good week. I would definitely just say for everybody that is watching this, be careful with news that's coming out tonight. We have really really big news. We'll see what Trump wants to do with Iran. Um, but yeah, really good day for me. That was my trade recap. If you guys have any questions, you can ask in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe. And again, follow all my socials. If you guys have any questions, you can also DM me on Instagram. And if you want to work one on one with me, it's in my bio. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I hope this video helps you guys. And I will catch you guys in the next one.